Happy October, everyone! So I received some products from yesstyle and they challenged me to create a Halloween makeup look. I will go into the details of all the products. I followed a makeup tutorial which I will link down below, and here is the look that I wanted to try. This is a vampire inspired makeup look. If you would like to see how I achieved this pretty simple Halloween makeup look, then just keep on watching. So for the base, I'm using the Amuse Meta Fixing Vegan Cushion. I love how hydrating and natural this looks on my skin. It's really easy to apply on the go with the powder puff, but you could also use a sponge. Even though it's hydrating, it doesn't look dry on the skin. I don't feel that I need to set my face with a powder after using this, which is really great for a cushion foundation since I do have oily skin. Now I'm going in with concealer to conceal my dark under eye circles and blending it out with a sponge. Next, I'm using the Etude House Fixing Tint Bar. This is actually a lip tint, but I'm going to use it on my lids as a base for the eyeshadow. I feel like lip tints can have so many different uses, and I like that this is hydrating and really easy to blend. So I'm going to go in with a deep rose shade and put that into the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going to use this charcoal shade and put it onto the center of my lids. This doesn't have to be super neat at first because we're going to blend everything in. I'm going to take that red shade onto my bottom lid to balance everything out. And now I'm going to line my under eyes with a black liner. And I'll also line my upper lid as well. Going in with the Peri Para Ink Black Cara Choi Go Sim Special Mascara. I'm going to apply this on my bottom lash line. Going back in with the Etude House Fixing Tint Bar, I'm using it as like a sort of paint to draw in the veins under my eyes. If you had like red face paint, it would work even better. This is just what I had on hand. I'm using a really fine tip brush to draw in the lines. You can really take your time with this if you want the veins to be really defined. I'm not too worried about it since I am using a lip tint and it's going to look kind of diffused anyway. Now I'm going to be applying lashes for that drama. I'm wearing Jackie from Miss A. Also, if anyone's wondering, my color contacts are from Miss Lens in the shade Blue Gray. Now I'm going to repeat the same exact thing on the other eye. I'm concealing my brows to get rid of any darkness, and I'm going to fill them in pretty thinly. I just imagine vampires to have like really thin eyebrows. I don't know. Now I'm cleaning up my brows for even more definition. Next is contour. I'm going to contour my nose to be slimmer for that really high nose bridge that a lot of vampires have. I'm taking this dark cool toned gray shade to contour my cheekbones for that really sunken in vampire look. I want to look snatched. Yeah, I'm not going shy with the contour. I'm gonna apply as much contour as I need and make sure that it's a cool tone because we're not trying to bronze, we are trying to sink everything in. Now I'm applying the Etude Fixing Tint Bar all over my lips. Using the Holika Holika My Fave Mood Eye Palette Matte Magic Collection, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and my nose bridge and touch up my nose contour a little bit. And then I'm going to use the dark brown shade to kind of outline my lips. This just adds more dimension to my lips and gives it like a darker, vampy look. Going back in with highlighter to really accentuate the cheekbones and the nose bridge. And I'm going to use this tan shade to touch up my contour. Going back with the lip tint, I'm going to draw some blood streaks dripping down from the corners of my mouth. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this really easy vampire inspired makeup look. I will link everything down below. Have a happy Halloween, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!